Kitten Ninja. Kitten Ninja versus the Spot. Before he was the protector of Metro City, he was... Psst! Kitten Ninja, that is your cue. Z. Ah, yes, it is very important for ninjas to stretch. Yup, stretching. Some say it is even more important than training. You must stay limber to take on all those villains. Lovely, all done, stretching, and ready for battle. Flump. Have I mentioned that sleep is important too? Z. I know what that face means. A villain is about. Who could it be? Is it the hairball? The red dot? The loud dust eater? Gasp! It is the Spot. Our hero readies for battle. Look at those moves. Jump. You did it. You captured the Spot. It was no match for Kitten Ninja. Z. Like I said, sleep. So important after a long battle. An hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Gasp! Kitten Ninja, wake up! The Spot! It escaped! Later. Not again. And even later. How does it keep getting away? It looks like our hero is off to get one of his ninja tools. Will it be his trusty nunchucks, his sturdy bow staff, or tape? Kitten Ninja, are you sure that is going to hold? Yawn, flop, Z. Whoop! The Spot got away! Do not be sad, Kitten Ninja. It is okay to lose a battle now and then. You are still the best ninja. You will get the Spot next time. Click. I knew it. The Spot never stood a chance against Kitten Ninja.